Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to clean all junk files and generally free up space to maximize speed on Windows 10 and 11. This will guarantee, and I guarantee that it will help you maximize performance and get as much disk space as possible. Now I do this on a regular basis, so it's not going to take up that much free storage at the moment, but for someone who's never done this, you should get around a few gigabytes of free storage. To begin, we're going to press the Windows R button. From there, we're gonna write TEMP just like that and press the OK button. It's gonna say you don't have access, press continue. And as you can see, it's all this stuff. What we're simply gonna do is press Control A, right click on one of the files, press on delete. From there, as you can see, it's deleted. If a prompt comes up and it says it can't be deleted, press on do for all and then skip this. So this is done for now. Next up, Windows R once again, and this time we're going to do percentage, and as you can see, we're in this folder. Control A, delete. So yeah, so if this has come up, press on do this for all current items and then press on skip. From there, that's that done. Close out of this. Next up, Windows R, we're going to write prefetch and do the same task I just showed you. I did this recently. So next up, we're going to do clean mgr. From there, as you can see, what you simply want to do is choose temporary internet files and recycle bin, temporary files, and thumbnails. From there, press on OK, and you should be done. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.